Hey guys, this is RD Clutch for Clutch Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at my first mod to my 2020 Tundra SR5 Crewmax. Very simple mod, anyone can do it, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we're going to change out the stock shift knob on the Tundra. With this, and we're gonna switch it with this one right here. All right, go ahead and open up the shift knob. All right.
So this is what our new shift knob should look like.
What do you think is different between the two?
Because it has more easier to hold instead of all blocky.
Yep.
Plus it looks cool with the red stitching and stuff.
Okay. Yeah, you just turn it. This. Go ahead and turn it. Okay. All the way up. Take it out. Now let's go put the other one in.
Old shift knob, new shift knob.
And put the new one in. Turn it until you start to feel a little bit of pressure. And okay, that's it. All right. That's all there is to it.
Okay guys, if you want to get this shift knob, we'll leave the link in the description down below. Go check it out.
It's the TRD Shift Knob, which is black with the silver accents on it. It also comes in a all black version.
Plus with red stitching.
All right. There you go.
You on the old shift knob, pros and cons.
I mean, the pro is that it does what it's supposed to do. It's a shift knob, so it
looks nice.
Functions correctly. It's the same. It's exactly the same color as a new one. The only difference is
it has red stitching and direction.
Just the design. The ergonomics is a little bit better on this new one than this one.
What are the cons for this old handle?
Well, the cons is the ergonomics are bad. I mean, look at it.
Yeah, it's all blocky.
It's kind of blocky. It's hard to hold. So the pro with the new one is it's more ergonomical and you can hold it better. Plus it has a little bit more detail. It has nice red stitching here, but the other one does not. And it also says TRD Pro on here, Toyota Racing Development. So yep, that's it. That's the first mod.
By the way, this was filmed by RD Clutch's daughter.